Whoa, it's locked. Anyways, guys. Here we go. I have, Max, no. He has to stay with me because he is sick, of course. I gotta make sure I know where he throws up for just in case he does. And I tried to find a bag, so... Oh my god, did this get wet? Yes. Why is there a... Never mind. Oh my god, did this get wet? I hope that is waterproof, man. Anyways. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take a walk. And then we're gonna come back in and just like take a little break and ducks. And we might come back out here for another walk, who knows. We are growing a lot of mushrooms, by the way. If you see any, comment down below. There was a big one up there. If you saw it, I don't know if I even showed it. See? Mushrooms. Mushrooms! Yeah. You guys spotted it. Great job. So, yeah. We are actually, what does he spot? He spotted a mushroom. A mushroom. He's like, I spotted a mushroom, Mommy. I got one. He hasn't went pee yet, so I'm actually going to go, Max, go. He doesn't lead me anywhere, so I'm actually gonna get him over there so he can actually pee, because I know he's been holding his pee all night, and I have gotten dirty already. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So let's see if he wants to go pee or something. I don't think he likes to go pee with the leash on. So let's let him go. Whoa. Okay, so he is free now. Go pee, Max. I'm gonna let him go pee. He doesn't really go without me when he's sick very much, but yeah. Come back for part 5. He sees Max. No. No. Just go get it, Max. Go get it. Let's just let him do his thing. So yeah. Bye, guys.